Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Amy June. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here today. In today's video, I'm just going to do a mellow, cozy nighttime routine. I had not had this video planned, so I pretty much just went off the cuff with it. And on this channel, I love to do all things homemaking, cleaning, cooking, organizing, small business. I do own 2 businesses, so I hope you enjoy today's video. So I totally decided to go ham. And I just like mopped everything because my husband's outside cleaning for my son's party that's coming up. So I thought that since I vacuumed and mopped and everything in here, I would go ahead and do the couch for fall. I don't have too much stuff for it. I literally have a new blanket, new pillow covers. This can go away. And then tomorrow, this is gonna be all decorated for Halloween on the top here. So I cannot wait to show you guys that in the guest bathroom. The kitchen is still very plain. I have not done anything yet. I'm actually in the process of making dinner. I have not done any fall anything yet in here. So yes, so let's go ahead and do the couch. So just prop you here. Let's see if I can see myself. Okay, prop it up. And some of the Halloween stuff that we got. I cannot wait to put this stuff up. My dog's cone from when she had surgery. And then this little cat, so cute. I got these at Target. I will share everything. So here's this stuff. I have the pillow covers I'm gonna put on are the stripes, and then this beautiful rust orange blanket. It is Threshold from, you guessed it, Target. And then I also have a random little sunflower pick, and this was $1.38, and I think this is actually from Walmart, but I'm not sure. So just going to put this up here for now. And one of my favorite ways to save money is to just repurpose pillows. These are just pillows that I got at Walmart, just blue pillows. So we're just gonna repurpose them with these striped pillow covers that I originally was gonna use in my room, but it didn't work out because the pillows in my room are too big. And then if you haven't seen my shorts, my husband, it's kind of dark, did this theme black. It was white before, and I absolutely love it. And I love how it ties in with the stars, and then it ties in with the kitchen knobs and the frame right here. And then these frames over here. I just love black, white, and gray. So that is like a new addition. And we gotta clean this mess up. This is gonna go into the wash for next time I'm doing a load of laundry. And then we're gonna get this all put up. This is where I work out. I leave this here. I don't have a space to work out, and so this is it, my friends. This is it. All right, so this is how it turned out. My son is absolutely going to steal this. It is so soft, and it's gonna get so dirty because he comes out here and lays and all that. Just gotta cut the tag off, but it's seriously such a pretty color. It's kind of dark in here, but I think you get the picture. And we just added the striped pillows, and that is all I'm going to do. Ignore the clutter back there, but that is literally all I'm gonna do until tomorrow when we get everything set up for Halloween. So stay tuned for that video. I also have to decorate our guest bathroom. I haven't tackled much fall decorating because it's been 100 degrees here in California, and I want to feel it, but it's so difficult when it's so hot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start dinner. We're doing steaks and mashed potatoes. Let's get on it. So I'm gonna do some sirloin. Just gonna use this Holy Gospel by Meat Church. I absolutely love it. My husband is outside. It's so hard to see, the window is so dirty, but he's outside and he is killing weeds and just cleaning up because we have my son's party in a few weeks. It's getting kind of late, so I'm making dinner kind of late. It is 6:57. It's 5 minutes fast, but still. So we're doing our steaks and our potatoes. So just going to get that all marinated and let that soak in for a few, and then we're just going to cook it in this. I would prefer butter, yes, but since I eat low fat, we will cook it in this with some garlic. And my son is in his room playing games. He generally takes a shower 30 minutes before bed because he plays gorilla tag and he gets all sweaty. So yeah, and the dogs are outside right now because it is kind of cool compared to 100 degrees today. So we're giving them some time so that I could, you know, do some stuff like clean the floors, even though the floors are never clean. They're all scraped up from the dogs, but it's fine. They're dogs. I love them. And when they're not here, I will miss them and I'll remember because of all the scratches. I loved having red, white, and blue, but I am so ready for fall. It is probably pretty hot out still. Yep, look at that. It is still 88 degrees, and today is the 27th of September. Comment below where you guys live and what the weather's like. I didn't have minced, well, I do have minced garlic, but I couldn't find it in my fridge, so I'm just mincing my own here. Which I was trying to take the easy way out, and that did not work. So this actually looks brown in here. It's weird, but it's not. This pan is just really old. That's why I'm using it, because I don't want to use my new pan. But I'll just go ahead and throw in our garlic. And I have this on a medium heat because I want to not burn the outsides of the steak without cooking the insides, but I still want the insides to be pink. And then of course, always doing dishes as I go. That is what makes my life so much easier. You know, drying knives and things like that, just as I go. Just makes things so much easier. And I'm eating sirloin. I would probably prefer a different steak, but it's pretty low in fat content and I just really wanted steak. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this a little sauteed until it's fragrant, and then we'll add in our steaks. And then we have our potatoes drained over here, and I'm just gonna put them back in the pot, add some half and half and some margarine. You guys, I love my dogs, but you don't know how nice it is to cook without them being under my feet. If you follow me on my Instagram, which I'll put right up here somewhere, I always show behind the scenes of my dogs and them being in my way and me tripping over them and all the things. I do love them dearly, but they are big. They're Dobermans, so they do get in my way, and it's very hard to do things because they're in my way and I don't have a big house. And I generally don't have half and half in my house, but I have some because I am going to be doing some white chicken chili. So I have this in the house. So we're just gonna let this saute for, I would say, about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll flip it and then I'll pull them because they'll still continue cooking, and we do want some pink inside. And then for my favorite drink, LaCroix, not by itself, but with this. These are my favorite. Since I have taken a step back from drinking alcohol, I drink these, and it's so good. And you can either take the skin off or leave it on. I just left it on. I washed them first, so it's no biggie. It depends also on the potatoes that you have. Go ahead, give these guys a little flip. And I love these because you can just cook them on the stove. You don't have to cook them on the stove and then put them in the oven. So then I don't have to whip out my cast iron and then clean it and then re-season it and all the things, you know? Simple for a weeknight. My dog is trying to break in through the doggy door. You hear that? She's like, let me in. We're gonna do like a garlicky mashed potatoes. Clearly, we're all gonna have great breath after this. I wish you guys could smell how good this stuff smells. Here are the potatoes, all done. All right, so this is resting, and while it's resting, I did the dishes. My super old pan that I used, threw the rest in the dishwasher. We have our homemade mashed potatoes. My husband was like, oh, don't go to the trouble to make them, just do the boxed ones. But I had some of these yellow potatoes left over, so I figured I might as well. So I have the dog blankets in the wash machine. I have my clean laundry in the dryer, and I wanted to title this Relaxing Fall Nighttime Routine, but I have a lot to get done, so we'll see how I feel by the end of the night, if it's relaxing or not. And leave it to me to spill on the floor after I just mopped. So just took that out of the dryer. I'm going to go ahead and now switch the dog's blankets into the dryer so they are ready for them before they go to sleep. That's how it turned out. If you guys don't eat meat, I'm sorry. And then here is my son's plate. Mashed potatoes and some steak. Bon appetit. Well, our propane ran out. Where we live, we have propane as our source of gas. So I was literally about to start my bath, relax a little bit, and the water was cold. So here we are. He is switching that over, and in the meantime I just stuck a cozy robe on and am going to fold, and yeah, I'll film the rest of the night. But it's cool, it's all good. Folding laundry is not my favorite task, but it's gotta get done, and we all like clean clothes. Watch out, move! Oh, sorry. Can you get it? Yeah, here you go. Oh. She's still in your bed because you didn't lay down fast enough. She took your bed, huh? She took your bed. Did she take your bed? Did she take your bed, Kiki? Hi. Hello. And here my husband and I are just tag teaming the dishes. He's cleaning up some dishes while I am wiping the countertops down. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. It was totally on a whim, and I don't think it was that relaxing, but I did get as much stuff done as I needed to get done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all will subscribe to my channel. It would be an honor to have you, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.